This is the first session of the 18th Lok Sabha, which is beginning today, and will see the oath taking by the newly elected members, followed by election of the Lok Sabha Speaker on June 26th and President Draupadi Murmu's address to the joint sitting of both the houses on June 27. Now, the row over the appointment of BJP leader and seventh-term member Bhartruhari Mehtab as the pro-tem speaker is likely to cast a shadow over the session. Mehtab will be sworn in as the pro-tem speaker at the Rashtrapati Bhavan by President Murmu. He will then convene the Lok Sabha at 11 a.m., starting with a moment of silence and the introduction of the elected members by Secretary General Utpal Kumar Singh. MOVE has drawn flack from the opposition, however, which alleged that the claim of Congress member K. Suresh to the post was overlooked by the government. Despite Congress objections, Mehtab's role in administering oaths to the new MPs is proceeding as planned. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju asserted that Mehtab had even seen that 7 uninterrupted terms as the Lok Sabha member, making him eligible for the post, while Suresh lost elections in 1998 and 2004, which makes his current term as the 4th straight one in the lower house.
में जो मुझे सुनाई दिया और कांग्रेस पार्टी ने जिस तरीके से प्रोटेम स्पीकर को लेकर के मुद्दा बनाया, उस पर कुछ बोलने के लिए मैं आपके बीच में हूं। सबसे पहले तो हम चाहते थे हमारा फर्स्ट सेशन 18वीं लोकसभा का पहला सेशन बहुत शांति से, बहुत अच्छी तरह से चले। ये आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का भी इच्छा है और हम सब का इच्छा है कि शांति से हाउस चले, क्योंकि ये स्पेशल सेशन है। इस स्पेशल सेशन में कोई बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं होना है। ये पारंपरिक रूप से नए मेंबर्स को ओथ देना, नए स्पीकर का चयन होना, फिर आदरणीय राष्ट्रपति जी का अभिभाषण दोनों सदन को, फिर उस पर चर्चा, इतना तक का एक विशेष सत्र है। और विशेष सत्र नियमित रूप से चलता है। आज तक जो परंपरा रही है, विशेष सत्र में कोई हंगामा, कोई मुद्दा नहीं उठता है, क्योंकि इसका बिजनेस तय है।
Now, the election of the Speaker on June 26, alongside the discussions concerning alleged paper leaks in NEET UG and UGC NET, as well as the controversy over the appointment of the pro-tem Speaker, are set to dominate the inaugural session of the 18th Lok Sabha starting Monday. Rahul Gandhi, senior Congress leader, has pledged to raise the issue of exam paper leaks in the parliament, emphasizing opposition pressure on the government from justice. Let's listen in to what was said by him.
Sorry, silence is because Prime Minister is crippled. Right now, Prime Minister's main agenda is the Speaker. So he's not bothered about NEET, he's not bothered about all these things. He's bothered about कि भैया मेरी सरकार निकल जाए यहाँ से और मेरा Speaker बन जाए. Right? That is where he is right now. That's where his mind is. Right? So, essentially the main thing is that we have a government now, right, and a Prime Minister now, who will find it very difficult to function. The Prime Minister, if I might say so, is psychologically broken. He has collapsed, psychologically collapsed. And he will struggle, knowing his personality, he will struggle to run a government like this. Because his entire sense of running a government, the idea of running a government, Mr. Modi's idea is to generate fear in people, to frighten people, to make people not speak. You're aware of that. Now what has happened is people are not scared of him. And you saw the other day, I think somebody in Varanasi itself threw a chappal on his car. Right? So it's very clear. The basic concept of Modi has been destroyed in this election.